Hi, I'm JMO from Xcase in the UK, www.xcase.co.uk. We sell PC cases, rack mount cases, and build up some servers. So, I'm going to look at a server chassis today. It's a Supermicro chassis. It's a 1U. Their model CSC 512F-350B. I've already set one up on one of our benches, so let's go and have a quick look. So, from the front it's fairly simple, as in any 1U. Just got power switch, reset, hard drive activity and LAN activity. Internally you've got this pair of fans, quite powerful when they need to be, and they connect via a 4-pin connection to your motherboard, so they can be controlled by the BIOS. So they're going to be noisy if your system's hot, and they're going to be nice and quiet if it's all running well. Now, being a Supermicro case, it loves Supermicro motherboards. It will come with a couple of I/O shields, which fit on the X9 and X10 motherboards that are very popular. But if you want to put a different type of motherboard in here, then really I wouldn't bother, because you're going to get quite a number of problems. First of all, the lead for your power switch reset, instead of having the standard pin outs that you'd have on a normal case, is made specifically for a Supermicro board. They do an adapter, but it's a real pain to get hold of. So buy this chassis, buy a Supermicro motherboard. Pretty much as simple as that. It comes with a 350 watt gold power supply, energy saving 80 plus, and it comes with the appropriate connections for their different motherboards. So you've got this split pair of 4 pins here, 12 volt, but they've also got an 8 pin tucked away somewhere. And there we go. And it comes with SATA connections and Molex connections for different hard drives, and some converters. You've got one rear expansion slot, and in the kit you do get a bracket for a riser. It's a short case, I think it's around about 14 to 15 inches deep. And really, we've only just basically bunged this motherboard in, but even if you did it properly, you could probably build a system using Supermicro gear within 15-20 minutes. It's that easy. Hard drives, you can fit a 3.5 inch here and a 3.5 inch in here. They do a bracket to convert this section here to a 2.5 inch, and also a bracket to go from 3.5 inch to allow you to fit a slim CD-ROM up the top here. Well, not many people bother with that now. So I've put this in really just so you can hear the noise of the fans. It's going to start off quite noisy until the motherboard kicks in. Okay, perhaps it's not. It normally does. So that's running now. As you can hear, the fans, they're sending out a decent amount of airflow, but they're controlled by the BIOS. The CPU is not hot, and so they're nice and quiet. I'll just give you a quick idea of what would happen if the CPU got warmer. Okay, they didn't like that, so they spin up very quickly. And you'll get a warning light saying, oops, we got a problem. So as I said, this is a good little chassis, easy to build in, good power supply, not expensive, but don't bother with any other make of board, use a Supermicro. I'll just quickly show you the parts it comes in. It comes with another I/O shield for a different version of Supermicro boards. This bracket here, which is for riser cards, and weirdly a set of screws for mounting rails, but rails aren't included. But they are an option, and if you buy them as an option, you get a set of screws for them. Strange, eh? Anyway, I think that's about it. Little Supermicro 1U chassis, recommended if you use Supermicro motherboards. Thanks for listening.